Hello everyone, Dr. Singh here. Today we're exploring the correct and safe use of eye drops. Eye drops are a common way to manage and treat various eye conditions, but using them correctly is essential for their effectiveness. Before we dive into the do's and don'ts, it is important to understand the purpose of eye drops. Eye drops may be taken for lubricating the eye, allergy relief, treatment of a particular condition like an infection or inflammation, or managing and treating chronic conditions like glaucoma. Here's 5 things you need to do for using your eye drops. First things first, washing your hands and ensuring your hands are clean before handling the eye drops. It prevents any potential contamination. Tilt your head back or lay down to create a stable base for the eye drops. Gently pull down the lower eyelid to create a small pocket for the eye drop. I like to rest the hand with the eye drop on top of this hand, pulling the lid and the dropper tip right above my eye. Squeeze a single drop into the pocket without touching the eye or eyelid. Close the eyes gently for a few seconds to let the drops settle. Follow your eye doctor's professional instructions regarding the frequency and dosage of the eye drops. Now here's 4 things you don't want to do. Avoid touching your eyes or eyelid with the dropper tip. This prevents potential injury or contamination. Never share your eye drops with others. Sharing can spread infections and isn't hygienic. Avoid letting the dropper tip touch any surface. Contamination can affect the drop's sterility. If using eye drops while wearing contacts, wait 10 to 15 minutes before reinserting them. After applying the drops, replace the cap securely on the eye drop bottle to maintain its sterility. And avoid rubbing your eyes. Keep the eyes closed for about 10 to 15 seconds while moving them in different directions, followed by blinking normally. Thank you for tuning in. Correctly using eye drops is crucial for your eye health. If you found this information valuable, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel and share this with someone you think will benefit from this information. Hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content on your eye health. By following these guidelines, you're taking one step towards better eye health. See you in the next video.